everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Bling Bag for April month. So this is the box which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 14.99 rupees. And in Bling Bag, you will receive beautiful jewelry. Not only beautiful, but the quality of the jewelry is going to be amazing. And on top of that, the style of the jewelry is going to be very in fashion, in style, in trendy jewelry you will receive in this bag, which is amazing. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. So the first thing is the info card. So this says it has the theme here of April month, and the theme is Floral Blossom for April month. This is the bag which I've got in my April edition of Bling Bag. Brown is the color, and you can see lots of color is there. So yeah, quite useful bag. You can just keep your makeup, your jewelry in this bag. Now moving on to the jewelry part. So the first thing is this beautiful neck piece. This is the one, and you can just see the quality is very nice. It's stone jewelry, and it's looking really pretty. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the look. You can just see it's looking really pretty. This is the look. Let me just adjust the length of this, and now you can just see. Oops, it's falling. Okay. So this is the look. Of course, it's looking really pretty, and for a better look, I would click some pictures and then you can see. I will be attaching that in the end as usual, a lookbook in the end. So yeah, stay connected for that. And meanwhile, you can just see this is the look for the neck piece. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful bracelet, and this is the one. Gold with some... Actually not silver, but it's a gold kind of a bracelet. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is the bracelet, very classy. The look is very classy. So this is the look, really pretty. Now moving on to the next one. Next one is a pair of earrings, and these are the one. Red is the color, and the theme is floral. So of course the flower shaped earring is here. Let me just wear one. The color is red. And this is the look. Let me just show you the look. So this is the look. Pretty. Now moving on to the next one. The next and the last one, which is this. It's black in color. I'm wearing black today. So yes, let's just wear it. It's very beautiful. It's not plastic. It's a metal kind of a earring. So the quality is very good of this. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So almost done with. So this is the look. This is the look. And this is the last jewelry in the box which I've got. I will be attaching lookbook in the end, as I've said. So don't worry about the looks. And that's all what I have received in my Bling Bag for April month. As you can see, the jewelry is beautiful. This one is really pretty. Then the neck piece is really nice, though it's actually falling right now. Okay, so the neck piece is really beautiful. Then the bracelet is really nice, and the floral earrings are nice. So I think all the jewelry pieces are nice. So if you like it, what you can do is just go to my description box, because there you will find the buying link. It's all about Bling Bag. But before ending the video, let me give you a quick reminder of my giveaway, guys. Yes, there is a giveaway going on my channel. I will be mentioning the giveaway link in the description box, so you guys can go to the description box, click on the link, and of course participate, show me some love. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.